Welcome back to my garden today. I am going to work on planting some delphinium into the garden. I also need to add some new sage I bought into my garden bed, and then I'm going to go to Green Acres today and pick out some more delphinium. Yeah, I need more delphinium in my garden. So there's that. There's always a reason to go to Green Acres and get more plants. Always a good reason. So my plan today is to plant those in the ground, which means I need to remove some soil, add fresh garden bed soil, and I also need to pot the sage up back here. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. I dug out all these rocks from this little spot here. No matter how deep you go, there's always rocks. It's California. We have a lot of rock in our dirt. That's one thing. You really have to work the soil in order to grow anything successfully here. I have my pack here, and there's 6 of them, 2 each. I might put 2 together. I'm going to put 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and I'm just gonna add more when I buy more. And that is the delphinium in, and I can't wait. I grew 3 varieties here last year, and I wish I mended the soil more. I didn't. They were gorgeous. I mean, the most beautiful blues and purple. I have to get more, but for now I'm gonna see what I get out of this, and I want to buy 2 more of these. I really like the different mixed colors that you can get. So yes, to Green Acres I will go after I'm done planting some sage in here. Let's go ahead. I think I'm going to put it right here. There grows the sage. It's going to grow in between here. So I'm going to finish my tea, wash my hands, water the plants that I just put in the ground, and I'll show you a little update on the bachelor buttons and the poppies that I seeded about 2 weeks ago. So they popped out, they look great, the lupines as well. I moved 2 of my dino kale to a new area. It will get a lot more shade in the summer. That way I thought it would last a bit longer with the heat that we're going to get. Yes, so I'm excited. And a bunch of the other seeds that I planted in late December, early January. A lot of poppies that I planted in the other spot. I have to show you how they're growing. They're doing really well. So let's go ahead and show you those. So here I do have some of the sweet peas that I potted with my son, and beets, chard that is growing, some cabbage growing here, which I will transplant soon and put separately into pots and give some away, and also put some in a different spot. And then yeah, a lot of these little ones, a lot of these are poppies. And then my little lupines, absolutely love these little lupines. They're so cute. Can't wait to see what color they'll be. I mean, it's already starting to grow decently, and I did fertilize lightly, very lightly. So I need to figure out what to do with all my cabbage. This side's all right too. I have a bunch of poppies that came out, and bachelor buttons, the chard, I also have, these are calendula that's coming out, and I'll transplant anywhere I'll set a few spots because I have like a couple, so I might transplant to spots where something, for example, ate one of them, so I'll just move some around. But yeah, this is so far what's going on. Some lupines are coming out in here as well. I noticed they look similar to the bachelor buttons, so it's a little hard to tell, but these are lupine right here. This one, they have a little thicker leaf to them. The bachelor is a little bit finer, but from far, like if you stand up, you can't really tell the difference. But from here, I could tell this one's the lupine, and that's the bachelor. It should be a fun day. As soon as I finish my tea, I'm gonna wash my hands, clean up, and get ready to go to my friend's house after Green Acres.